Are you tired of missing urgent emails because they're buried in your inbox? Learn how to put unread emails first in under 2 minutes. First, we'll open Gmail settings, then change the inbox type to unread first and save. Let's dive in. Start by heading over to the Gmail homepage. Click on the gear icon at the top right corner to open Gmail settings. Then select See All Settings to open the full settings panel. Now, click on the Inbox tab at the top of the settings page. Locate the Inbox Type section on that page. Click the drop-down menu next to it. From the drop-down, choose Unread First. Scroll down and click Save Changes to apply your new inbox layout. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.